All right, everybody, good to see you again. This is going to be for this coming week, which will be Monday the 30th to April the 2nd. And this week we had 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, and 6-4 out of the Go Math book. And I'm going to combine these two lessons since they are both addition. So if you want to knock out both of these at the same time, that would probably be the easiest way to do this, because the next video will be about subtraction. So we're going to focus only on addition for this one. So 6-1 is all about whole numbers, and 6-4 is all about decimal numbers. And really, if you can add, it doesn't matter what you're doing, wholes or decimals, it's going to be the same thing. So I'm going to split this, and we're going to do, I'm just going to make up a number here, 8, 5, 4. And then I'm going to bring another number that I'm going to make up over here. I'm going to do a decimal version. And the only thing that you have to remember when you're adding with decimal numbers is the first thing is put those decimals on top of each other, align them. All right, so if I had 346.7 with 92.85, okay, it would look like that. So let me do the whole number first. And you remember that whole numbers, there is no decimal, there is no fraction. They stop right here in the ones place. You've got your place values here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and this one actually has 100,000s. So they have to be in their correct values, place values. So if you remember my class, I call them bumpers. So I like to put bumpers in between my numbers, so that I keep it clean, because that's probably your biggest enemy on this, is to keep it clean. You don't want to get sloppy. And we're just going to take it column by column. All right, and if we have to end up regrouping, that's totally fine. So first one right here, 6 plus 4 is 10. So bring my 0 down, carry my 1. Now I'm in this column. 0 plus 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Nothing to carry. Next one, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So carry my 1, drop my 3, comma. Always make 10 when you can. So 1 with 9 is 10, with 7 is 17. So 17. 9 with 1 is 10. Carry my 1, and 4 and 1 is 5. So 507,360. So pretty easy. Nothing you can't handle. This is all review. Now with decimals, only thing that's different is there is a decimal point now. All that really means is that it's kind of like just what we just did. You want to realize that place value really matters here. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and put in my bumpers. And it would be just like it was a while ago, where we have the ones place right here. But look where the ones are. They're to the left of the decimal. This would be your tens and 100s. So that means behind the decimal, this is our tenths. And this one actually has a hundredth over here. And I do see an empty spot, so we're going to add a 0 in that empty spot. Let me use a brown for right here. Okay. Now we add just like we normally would. And if you want to put the decimal here first, you can do that just so you don't forget, because that will drop. That's just your separator. All right, so 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 and 8 is 15. So carry the 1, drop my 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So 439 and 55 hundredths. So pretty easy. to do that with just regular math. So let's go try a word problem. Just real quick, on your assignments, 6-1, all you're doing is adding. Okay, that they do have estimations here, and let me show you how that works real fast. If you choose to do these, that's totally fine. If you want to skip those, that's okay too, but it's actually really easy. Let me show you how to do an estimation. So for an estimation, you can round these to the biggest place value that you want to. So like 36,204, that would round to 40,000. 40,000 with 918, that would round to 41,000. Or actually, no, you know what? Let's keep that to 40,000. Let's keep it easy. So that would be 40,000. So right here, our answer is going to be very, really close to 80,000. Now, if you wanted to round it to the 1,000th place, you could do that too, and it's going to get a little bit more accurate. If you did it that way, this would have been 36,000 plus 41,000. And that would have been 77,000. So what that really means is our answer is going to be really close to one of these, okay? So when you actually add these, the estimation is just a ballpark answer that's close, okay? So like I said, we've done these already. So if you want to just skip the estimating parts, I'm okay with that. But make sure you're practicing your adding and regrouping. So 6-1, you should be fine on 6-1. Let's jump over to 6-3 and look at some of their word problems. All right, so 6-3 is on, nope, sorry, it's 6-4. There it is, 6-4. Okay, I'm going to go to page 205. Let's look at this hot one right here. All right, page 205. Maggie had $35.13. Then her mom gave her $7.50 each of the 2 times she watched her younger brother. How much money does she have now? Well, we know it's adding because the title of our lesson is adding decimals. But we also realize too that she already had $35.13, but then she's getting more. So mom's giving her more. She's giving her $7.50 more, but she's getting that for each of the 2 times that she did the babysitting. So I'm going to have $7.50 twice. So $7.50, $7.50. Notice that I put my decimals on top of each other. They're aligned. And I'm just going to add like I normally would. So 3 plus nothing is 3. 5 and 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Drop that decimal. Make sure you drop that decimal. 7 and 7 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And 5. So our total is $50.13. No big deal, okay? Let's try a yellow page one. They do have estimations on here. I'm still okay with you skipping that because we have covered those already, but let me just refresh you how to do that. We'll just knock out number 1, number 2 real fast. They don't say where to estimate to, so I'm just going to say let's go ahead and do this to the biggest place value possible. So this is either going to be 3 holes or 4 holes. Well, it's only 3 with 4, so that would be 3 holes. 2 with 7/10, that's closer to 3, so that would be 3. So that estimation answer is around 6 holes. If I do the real one, 7 and 4 is 11. Drop the decimal. 3, 4, 5, plus 1, 6. So 6.1 is the accurate real answer. Estimation was 6. This estimation, 5 with 26. Well, that's either closer to 6 or it stays close to 5. I think that's going to stay close to 5. So 5.00. 9 with 75. That's really close to 10. So we'll call that 10. You should be able to do these in your brain. So this is basically 15 holes. Okay, so our answer is going to be close to 15. Now, we can do it the real way. It's 11, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop that decimal. 9 plus 1, 10, plus 5 is 15. So look how close that was. So the real answer is 1501. All right, word problem. Let's look at the back of this. We'll try number 18, one of the multi-step ones. Those are usually the harder ones. So I'm on page 208. All right, Miss McDonald spent $24.65 at a yard sale on Saturday On Sunday, she went to another yard sale and spent $14.95 more than what she did on Saturday. Okay, so that's important right there. So think about this. We've got Sunday in this problem and we've got Saturday in this problem. So we know Saturday was this amount. Okay, so I'm going to say Saturday was $24.65. Now realize this is not Sunday's number. It says that on Sunday she went to another yard sale and spent this much more than she did on Saturday. So we don't have this total yet. We've got to get this total. So we need to add that increased amount, $14.95. This will give us our Sunday number. So 5 and 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Drop that decimal. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 and 1 is 3. Okay, so that's Sunday's number. And you'll notice, look, there's that answer. So I automatically know 100% that one's not right. Because the question is what is it for both days? So we need to go add our 24.65. So 24.65, that's Saturday's number, with our new Sunday number, which is 39.60. Okay, so we have a 5, 12, drop the decimal, 10 plus 4, 14, 3 and 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, 64.25. There we go. Okay, so just be careful. Label what you're adding. Always remember, you want to add to your thinking before you start doing the math. Thanks for watching.